The idea of 3D printing of a building is nothing new. Faced with a desperate need to construct more homes faster and in a more efficient way, countless innovators have found themselves drawn by the idea of being able to quickly print a structure and have spent years trying to scale the technology. 3D printed world has proven successful and many countries have started to 3D print new homes. Additive manufacturing processes are closely linked to the materials being handled. With regard to the printing of building parts, many researchers have focused on aggregate-based materials, metals, and polymers. Aggregate-based materials are based on 1. Material extrusion, where a structure is created layer-wise with a nozzle that deposits fresh cementitious material along a defined path. 2. Particle bed processes. 3. Prefab, smart dynamic casting where flexible slip formwork is moved along a trajectory by a robot arm while fresh concrete is poured into it. Mesh mold, where an autonomous mobile robot creates a metal mesh which serves as formwork while the concrete is placed and as reinforcement after the concrete has cured. And 4. Integration of reinforcement. Secondly, metal is based on 1. Powder bed fusion, where metal powder is first spread across the work area before a laser or electron beam selectively fuses the powder. And 2. Directed energy deposition, where a melt pool is created before metal powder or wire is added to the melt pool. Lastly, polymers are also based on 1. Material extrusion and 2. Powder bed fusion.
So, how does additive manufacturing can improve the construction industry? Firstly, additive manufacturing such as 3D printing can provide more design freedom. Often, architects and engineers will need to compromise when they are designing the building by trading off between aesthetic and buildability. However, with the help of 3D printings, curved wall and even more complex geometric shapes can be built without imposing the risk of wasting more building materials in an effective and productive way. Secondly, the safety of construction workers can be enhanced as they are constantly facing health-related hazards at site. Although additive manufacturing such as 3D printing still requires a certain amount of manpower in operation, the safety risk is still very low as they are reducing the workers' direct contact with the concrete. Lastly, additive manufacturing is the upcoming trend in the disruption of the construction industry by enabling consolidation across the value chain. With the product-based approaches alongside with the higher standardization and repeatability, a significant degree of consolidation and standardization of the production will be expected. From this, 3D printing increases the productivity in the industry while also ensuring the quality of each finished product as well as they enabling the matching tolerance in real time by printing customized connectors or filling based on demand at the site. All in all, additive manufacturing promises very good futures in the industry.
Firstly, we have a detached single-family property which is the first 3D printed concrete house in Germany and offers 160 square meters of living space across its 2 stories. The structure is the first 3D printed building in Germany to be certified with a national building accreditation. Next, we have the world's first 3D printed steel bridge in Amsterdam, which was unveiled this week, which is equipped with high-tech sensors. This makes the smart bridge will be a living laboratory. The bridge will be a test of how the Internet of Things can work in cities. Next, we have 3D printed plastic roof tile for the Oshkosh Public Museum carriage house. In 2019, the old building's roof was replaced and the missing ridge cap cost about $8,000 while the alternative, 3D printed plastic ridge cap just cost about 40% of the total. They are also sturdy, unbreakable, and can last for a long time.
To sum up, thanks to the emergence of additive manufacturing in the construction industry, which enables the production of overlapping one layer of another, the future of construction industry is nothing but exciting. As it continues to uphold the decent quality of the building in just a fraction of time and cost of the current construction method, it will definitely lead us to a better future with faster, greener, and most importantly, a more affordable options for everyone. Cheers to 3D printing. Thank you.